Hey tubers, work on the hot rod's been a little bit slow lately because I've been working on my garage. Do you remember this? My giant wall of hopes and dreams. Well, check this out. As you can see, the entire wall of shelving has gone. Well, the shelving's still there, but I'm going to be using that. I'll get to that later. So where did I put all my treasure? Through here. Still not moved them. I'm going to bonk my head on this, I can tell. Anyway, through here. These wheels will be moving. Hello. So all my stuff is now in here, and it's been raining quite severely for a week, and I don't have any leaks. So that one's parts. This one is metal and parts, more metal. This one is red stuff, engine crane type stuff. And there is another one, because there wasn't quite enough room for it here, so it's over the fence. Down there, out the way. Okay, let me get back to garage, walk you through my plans. So I used most of that shelving that was there to make shelves for those plastic bins. That worked out quite nice, but I've still got these big sections left. So the plan is this corner up here, just above the door, I'm going to run a shelf from there all the way over to here. I'll put a stud screwed into the concrete wall there, and then I'll do some vertical bars coming down so that I don't have to have the diagonal things to bang my head in. So that, as I say, that'll come to about here, and it'll go about that wide, give me more shelf storage for stuff that I'm going to be using on a regular basis. Bearing in mind the whole point of this adventure is to get my car there, wife's car there. That shelf is mobile, that workbench is mobile, and that can live in that corner. And I can move my lathe from, it's over there at the moment, I can move my lathe into here. I don't actually need this shelf unit because it's just full of garbage. Boxes and boxes of knickknacks that I never use. They've been there for 5 years, I'm going to throw them out. And then obviously I still need to move the steps from there round to there, bring that wall with the bins round to here. Lots to do, as you can see. This is why I'm not getting much done in the car, but the sooner I get this done, the better. And the quicker I'll be able to get back on to working on Bugsy. So let's start with this shelf. Right, here's the plan. Let's see if I can stick to it. One bar goes along there at the shelf height. One bar goes along the ceiling, screwed onto the roof support beams, I guess. And then there will be maybe 3 vertical bars coming down from the top one, and then the third long bar will get attached to that, with short beams going across to the wall, and then the shelf goes on top. Easy, right? Let's go. If my calculations are correct, this should slide right in. Why is it longer than it's supposed to be? That makes no sense. I could have sworn those beams were the same length as those flat panels. Whatever, it's extra storage space. Nah, that looks goofy. Let's just trim that off. I know why it's longer. It's designed to have a section of 1.5 inch at either side. One there, one at the other side. But that's how it was designed before, when it used to be a shelf over here. Right, let me trim that, get it back on, and then decide what lucky items are going on the shelf. That's better. Right, as I say, let me fill that up with treasure and clear my table, and let's see if the table fits in that slot there, and then bring the car in. See how much space we've got on this side for the Mini. Stay. Made to measure. Right, Karen. Still got that much room between the car and the wall. Need to get used to parking like that. So the question is there space for another car? Yes and no. There is space. Unfortunately, it's kind of a combination of this space and that space. And cars aren't shaped like that. Cars are kind of shaped rectangular, although that's kind of blobby. So here's what I need to do. I need to relocate these stairs over to that corner so they come down that way, because the Mini, believe it or not, is actually too long to fit in there. It comes to there. However, if these stairs were out the way, the nose of the Mini could come in here, and I just need to relocate some of that stuff. But that will be on the next home edition. I'll be moving those stairs and finally getting the Mini where it belongs, in the garage. Although not until winter. This is really all for winter, but I may as well do it now while the weather's nice. Speaking of which, oh, it just looks white. It's nice though, look. See, lovely summer's day. Okay, oh, I still need to find somewhere to put these bumpers that I can't sell. Anyone want them? For a 47 Chrysler. Worth a shot. Okay folks, thanks for watching. Tomorrow, or the next video, back to work in the Chevy. I've got something for the inner roof, and I've also got more soundproofing to go on, so we need to get stuck in. I've got a lot to do before the big go drags at St Thomas Raceway in about 3 weeks. You better all be there if you're local. So, I'll see you then. Ta-ra, bye.